Today we got the Samsung S22. The microphone is not working. The customer told us he brushed the microphone hole with some liquid. As you can see, we have no voice. I don't know what he did, but I asked him. The other person wasn't hear him very good, so he thought there is something with the microphone, so he brought the brush and start brushing it with some liquid. And he also blow some air into it. Alright, let's start disassemble this device. We need the heat station gun with 2/3 degree for about 30 seconds, and then we can bring the suction cup and start pulling up. We need also some alcohol with the syringe so the adhesive under it will be soft, and then we can remove the adhesive easily. You can use cards or you can use any plastic piece like this one I using. These plastic pieces I get them from the screens like for iPhone protection screens. So this is the one you recycle it. Alright, we have flex cables inside, so you have to be careful not to put these pieces in the middle. Just go over all the edges. You can also use the heat gun if you need it. What I cut is the adhesive. Alright, so you have to be cautious what I did. Also, this is adhesive. Let's cut it. We don't need to remove it fully. We can put back the back glass as it was. Let's remove the loudspeaker shield. Start removing the screw from the bottom. I hate when I'm dealing with the microphone. The small microphone, you can see it's the gold one at the bottom side. It's too small, and when you solder it with the heating gun, it got damaged sometime or anything. For easy operation, you can just replace the whole subboard. It comes with the new microphone, so maybe you can do that for non-practical repairman. This is best for you, but I'm going to proceed with replacing the microphone. This is the wireless charging. There is some adhesive into it. Let's remove the wireless charging because we are going to remove the loudspeaker to access the subboard. There is 3 flex cables under it, one to the antenna, and the second from the subboard to the mainboard, and the third from the mainboard to the screen. Alright, this is the loudspeaker shield, or it's the loudspeaker contains shield. Alright, it's better for me to remove the battery. We don't need any bad circuits to be happened, and we may cause short circuit and damage some components. It's always very smart to remove the battery first, and then you can continue your work. Maybe it need more job to do, but this is very important to do. Continue removing the top shield or the wireless charging shield. Alright, now we can unplug the battery, and then we can continue remove the subboard. We have 3 screws connected to the subboard. You have to remove them, and also be careful where you put them. Alright, or don't screw them too much, you maybe broke the screen. Alright, be careful that we have SIM card installed there at the bottom, so you have to remove that and remove the SIM card tray also to remove the subboard. As I told you before, you can just replace this subboard with a new one and job have been done. You know, the subboard, this one, it's cost about $30, and the microphone itself cost $15. It's about the half. Okay, let's start to replace this microphone. Put amtic flux and then bring the heating gun with 420 Celsius degree for about few seconds until the microphone is free to remove. Let's mix these solder pads with unleaded solder or with a lower degree soldering. We are done. Let's now put the subboard into the position, assemble the device, and then you can test and see if the problem has been solved or not. You can put everything as it was and then test. Maybe before you doing the full assembled, you can put just the 3-hole screw in there and put the loudspeaker because we are going to hear the voice while we are making the test. And then you can turn on the device and test. But I'm going to do the full assemble and that's it. This was for today. If you have any questions, you can just leave it on the comments below. Thank you for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe to support the channel. We will do something else in the next video. Peace.